how to find your routing number on PNC online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can find your routing number on PNC online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are many ways to find your routing number. So currently if I open up my browser, and then here you can see it says me that if you want to find it, then you can just sign on to the mobile app. So you can just go ahead and open the mobile application of PNC Bank, sign into your account, then just select the account that you'd like to view, which could be a checkings account or a savings account, whatever account that you might want to view the routing number of. Then just select account and routing numbers, verify your identity, then you'll find. There are other cases scenarios where you can simply actually find your routing number using your check. So the first number on the check is basically a routing number. The second number on the check is basically your account number. If you have your PNC Bank's check with you, if the bank did provide you a check, you'll be able to find your routing number there as well. So these were the various ways on how you can find your routing number on PNC Bank. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.